Tilder!
How are you using your RØDE Wireless Go?
Okay guys, so we're just gonna do a real quick freeze here. Let me show you how. All right, you guys are gonna take your elbow and you're gonna just place it here and just gonna bust out a nice little hole there, right? Just really gotta hold on to it, yeah?
Hey, I can't hear you.
What? What do you mean you can't hear me?
You sound like a tin can. Don't you have a mic or something?
Hold on. Oh, come on, think. Oh. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yep.
Great, let's continue with...
Wait. What mic is that?
This? The RØDE Fitness Go? Done! Roll that intro! What's going on, everybody? You're watching Too Long Didn't Read Filmmaker, where the answers comes first, the reasons come last, but we're constantly and always still learning. So literally about a year ago, I came up with my 6 tricks and tips for the RØDE Wireless Go. You can check out that video right here. And I actually used one of those tips and tricks today where I placed one of the RØDE Go's somewhere in the scene to pick up the Foley. So when I'm grabbing for something, when I'm putting on the headband, all that stuff, everything was hidden somewhere so I can pick up that Foley sound. So there's your practical use in how you can actually implement it. So today I'm going to be introducing my 7th hack, and this is going to be affectionately called the RØDE Fitness Go. So basically, a lot of people that were doing fitness videos, fitness workout videos, what have you on YouTube, they have a RØDE Go, and basically if they clip it somewhere, if they're not wearing necessarily a fitted athletic shirt, it's going to start bouncing around and eventually it might even flip, and therefore you're not going to necessarily get the best sound. Well, this little hack is very, very simple. Simply take an athletic headband, put it on, and you're going to put the RØDE Go inside out with a microphone pointing down, and it actually sounds like this. So this is with just the RØDE Wireless Go, no boom mic, and the mic is pointing straight down. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. And that might do for you, but maybe not. Maybe you want something more traditional and directional with a little boom mic. So this little boom mic is very cheap. It was like $8 to $10. And basically these are replacement boom mics for gaming headsets. And they basically have the exact same plug as a normal lavalier mic. So simply plug it into the mic port and then there you go, boom it over. Now, unfortunately, this mic does pick up radio interference when it's attached to the RØDE Wireless Go that you have to clean up in post. It doesn't seem to pick up any interference when it's attached to something like the Sakani Tiny. So RØDE, if you want to make a specific microphone, and this is a test with the boom mic now plugged into the RØDE Wireless Go, going to my GH5, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. And this is a test with the boom mic now plugged into the RØDE Wireless Go, going to my GH5, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm wearing the boom, and basically it's not the sturdiest boom in the world, so if I shake my head a lot, it is gonna... And there you have it, guys. Very, very simple hack, very short video. I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a little skit for it in the beginning, so I hope you enjoyed that. And anyways, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down below. I will get to them as fast as I can. And until then, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.